Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. In a previous video, I cleaned this carburetor by boiling it in lemon juice. The customer states the carburetor is still leaking. Let's take a look at it.
Well guys, it's back. The Kawasaki. The customer put the carburetor on and said that it was leaking. So let's try it real quick. Turn this on. I don't see any leaking. Do you guys? There's no leaking. There's nothing. This really doesn't smell like gas. Well, let's see if we can fire this thing up. I don't know, man. I don't see anything wrong with it. That little bike rips. And look, it's sitting there idling.
Time to take this thing for a test ride.
One kick. Thing has more kick than my KTM. The idle might need adjusted a little bit once it gets warmed up, but man, that thing rips. I don't know if you can see the shadow. That front end came up a couple times. This little thing's scary. Like I said, that thing kicks more than my KTM. All right, guys, let's do a recap on this. All right, guys, as you can see, that thing really ripped. The cleaning of the carb went well. So one thing I want to let you guys know is after a carburetor's cleaned or rebuilt, sometimes the floats will stick because they are hanging down at their limits. And even though the bowl right here. This is where the floats are at. Even though the bowl is full of fuel, a lot of times you have to tap on this to get everything to seat properly. So when you first turn it on, you might see some fuel come out, but you know, this time there was no fuel that came out, so I'm not sure what they saw, but this thing, it really ripped. I didn't find any real dead spots. I put all the adjustments back to where they were when I did clean it, so you know, hopefully they're gonna get several years of enjoyment out of it. I know in that last few minutes I got a lot of enjoyment out of it. So all right guys, thanks for watching. Leave some comments and please subscribe.